Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I am no artist, but I drew this in like 2 or 3 minutes. Somebody's been asking me about scrolls and squiggles, and to make your own, it'd be pretty cool. And if you have a little bit of artistic ability, which I have none, I'm going to grab the spiral tool, and I'm going to draw a spiral, and then I'm going to get a 2-point line, and what the 2-point line is going to do, it's going to stop it from cutting when I cut the other part out. And that looks pretty good. Now remove that line, click on your item, and go to your artistic media tool and pick a one that has tapers on both ends, and then click on your item. If nothing happens, just reduce it a little bit, and then you can increase it a little bit. It's just kind of like a bug inside Corel. Now, when you move it, you can see a third line in the middle. You need to go to Arrange, break it apart, and normally you grab that invisible line that's in the middle. What has happened now, you've got a really clean object. We'll leave it like that. It's a hairline. And there's several ways to make these kind of leaves. I'm just going to draw. I'm going to click on that and turn it into a curve, and then grab your shape tool and just kind of give your leaf a little bit of skew so it won't be so perfect. And who says they're even leaves? But then just take them. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Maybe that's a little bit big. Let's rotate it. And let's put it in our item. Control D and mirror it. Well, that didn't work too well. That isn't what I want. You can always just rotate it and then put it on the other side. Let's try this. Let's Control D both these and just move them down. Rotate them a little bit. Move them around a little bit. Let's go Control D one more time. Double click on them. And really you need to move your rotation to here. That looks pretty good. And then just select all this and weld it. Now your leaves are part of your item. Now Control D and make a duplicate of it and move it over, and then just ever so slightly put these two lines together. Now weld it one more time, and now you can smart fill it, or you could just really just fill it. So there's you a squiggle. You could do a lot with this. I mean, you could go a lot further. Pretty neat little graphic to use in a corner. I enjoy playing with stuff like this. One thing you can do to make them a little bit different, they're all one unit. Go to your envelope tool, which is underneath your drop shadow, and just change it up a little. Well, that is my color fill. Let's leave that alone, and let's bring this up here. Grab your item, envelope tool, and just give it a little bit of a different look. You know, you could play around with this. It's kind of neat to see what you can come up with. Make it look a little bit different. You know, you don't want to go too far, but you could delete. Let's try just deleting the corners. See what it comes. Well, I should have stopped. It's not going to look any better than the original. There we go. Anyway, so I kind of hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.